Hello traders, Sham here from AlgoStreets with Nifty's recap and next day trade plan. Nifty closed around 25,730 and if you see the overall range is 242 points, which is high comparatively yesterday it was 186. Let's do a bar replay and see how the move happened. Yesterday close was neutral and today open was also a neutral one. So currently it is between R1 and S1. So as of now, the market is in neutral state, no bias. You can see the bullish score is 3 and bearish is 3. So go for the next bar. Yeah, it got rejected at R1. Buyers try to attempt a pull up. He got an entry. But you need to see if you take a entry here, it is 25,914. You have only 20 points range. So we need to decide whether you need that 20 points or not. So yeah, it's only 20 points and clearly there is no setup. Wait for the setup is the thing that it's saying actually. Now we got a sell setup. Yeah, look for sell setups. Now you got a sell setup because the score got increased to 10. So you will try to find an opportunity near this one. You got one more sell setup. You need to see where you will get entry. You almost got the entry but it doesn't touch. So we need to, there is no touch to this zone, so we didn't get any entry here. It's fine if you don't get entry in Nifty, you will be looking some bank Nifty or Sensex. If you take entry here, that is 840 25 840, stop loss will be 910, almost 70 points. So you should be aiming for 1 is to 1 trade. Approximately 760 should be your target for 1 is to 1 trade. Yeah, it got 1 is to 1. But if you see, there is no entry. So don't force any trade. If you don't find any entry in Nifty, go for Sensex or Bank Nifty, or even for some stocks as well. If you follow yesterday's previous day plan, clearly mentioned that if there is any sell zone near this S2, we can aim for a down move. That can be seen here. So we did not get any entry here. So we will just see whether we get any entry in Bank Nifty. Yeah, you can clearly see that you got an entry here in Bank Nifty. So yeah, you can try. You might have tried this one. The stop loss is 58.34 to 98, almost 70 points. 70 points risk. You should aim for minimum 70 points. It has moved around around 200, yeah, around 200 to 300. 1 is to 3 trade. You might have got 1 is to 3 trade here. And if you even if you didn't find any trade in Bank Nifty, go for Sensex and see whether you get any opportunity here. Yeah, you can see here you got an opportunity. And always remember you should keep a safe stop loss. For me, the safe stop loss is here, not here, because it might get taken out at any time because you have another seller zone here. So always try to have a safe stop loss. If you count the stop loss from here 290 to 555, almost 260 points. 260 points. So you should aim at least 260 points from here, 84k. Yeah, you got 1 is to 1 trade. Now let's move on to the next day trade plan. Yeah, if you see Nifty, the close was neutral because it has closed between tomorrow's S1 and R1. So the close is neutral. So what kind of trades that we can plan tomorrow? The best possible case. If it opens below this TS1, and if you see any sellers over here, that will be the extension of today's fall. So that will be your most probable trade. If it opens near to R1, and if it trades above or from inside, if it goes above, and if you see any buyers here, then it will be a most probable trade for the buy side. You have good range of 150 points. If you get a 50 point stop loss entry, then you will get 1 is to 3 risk reward for this trade. And even you have in range also good number of points for your risk reward, 8 10 to 7 10 100 points. So if you get any entry for 30 40 points risk, you can attempt these trades as well. From TS1 you can target TR1, from TR1 you can target to TS2. Hope these levels are useful. See you in next video. Thank you.